Dear colleagues, dear friends, Namaste. On behalf of the Belarusian Chamber of Commerce and Industry, I am sincerely pleased to welcome all participants and guests of the forum. I express my deep gratitude to our general partners of the forum, Belarus Bank, and co-organizer and partner Alabash India Enterprise. I thank the Embassy of the Republic of Belarus in India and Consul General in Mumbai, as well as all members of the Belarusian delegation. Today, India is one of the main drivers of the global economy, a hub of innovation, and a huge market. Belarusian business have much to offer this market. Our forum is more than just an official meeting. It is a working platform where demand meets supply and bold ideas are transformed in real contracts. Leaders of the Belarusian market, the head of the companies interested in cooperation with India came here today. We have three main ideas of forum. Export. We are ready to supply high-quality goods and technologies. Import. We are interested in a unique Indian project. Investment. We offer favorable and secure conditions for your capital and direct access to the EA-EU market. I invite you to communicate openly, ask questions and discuss terms. May these days bring you reliable partners, profitable deals, and strong friendship ties. I wish us all successful work and future contracts. Thank you. Dhanyavad. Спасибо.